Don't forget, guys, you have the ability to time travel. So somebody might say something like, man, what's most important to us is that we're able to view these reports in the field, right? And it will either get glossed over by you, or if you're in a team sales environment and the rest of your team is not on Easton University, or they're just not participating, or they're not going to the portal, or they're not doing these lives, they gloss over that. And you're like, dang it, I think I missed something there. You can always time travel by saying this. Hey, Robert, I was just thinking, I'd like to go back to something you said earlier. You had mentioned that your current vendor is not getting the job done in terms of reporting. Can you give me a specific example of what you meant by that? I want to go back to something that you said before. Now, where else is time travel really great to do? It's really great to do when this thing starts to steer off the road of discounts, promotions, incentives. I don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, $500 a month for sales coaching is way too expensive. Got it. Yeah, I wanted to go back to something that you had said earlier. You had mentioned that you're making $215,000 right now, and the next person in your office is making $750,000, and you don't think they're any better than you are. What's holding you back from going from $215,000 a year to $750,000? Oh man, my sales process is screwed up. I don't know how to prospect. My time management's really bad. Yeah, which is why I recommended that we get you on the sales coaching, right? Now I can time travel right back to when they said they want to increase what would the revenue increase be there? $500,000, right? It's amazing how people will get someplace, good work will happen, and then as we get towards the close, they'll forget about all of the reasons why they wanted to do it in the first place, which is where we can time travel back.